Advanced Lecture, Original Methods of Chart Rectification and Transit Forecasting. Rectification is the art of recovering an unknown or uncertain birth time. Most traditional methods rely on past events matched to primary directions, solar arcs, or secondary progressions. The following three original techniques refine that process and can be used alone or in combination. Technique 1, Angular Event Clustering. List the 5 to 7 most emotionally or biographically charged events in the life. For each event, cast a transit chart and note which natal angles, ascendant, midheaven, descendant, IC, were being contacted by outer planets within a 2-degree orb. The correct birth time will produce the highest density of exact angular hits across the event set. Shift the trial ascendant in 4-minute increments, 1 degree of clock time, and rescore. The peak score indicates the rectified time. Technique 2, Progressed Moon Phase Lock. The secondary progressed moon moves roughly 1 degree per month. Identify 3 major life phase shifts: relocation, career change, relationship initiation or ending. Calculate the progressed moon's position at each event for a range of trial birth times. The correct time will place the progressed moon on a hard aspect, conjunction, square, or opposition to a natal angle or to the ruler of the angle at the majority of those turning points. This method is especially sensitive for birth times uncertain within a 2-hour window. Technique 3, House System Convergence Test. Cast the same trial chart in Placidus, Coach, and Whole Sign. Examine a known event that should activate a specific topical house, for example, marriage for the 7th, career peak for the 10th. The birth time that produces the strongest simultaneous activation of the relevant house cusp or house ruler across at least 2 house systems is preferred. When Placidus and Whole Sign both light up the same topic at the same trial time, confidence rises sharply. Once a rectified time is established, forecasting requires equal rigor. Original transit timing method. The triple confirmation window. A transit is considered live only when 3 conditions coincide. First, the transiting planet is within 1 degree of a natal planet or angle. Second, the same transiting planet is simultaneously in aspect within 1.5 degrees to the current secondary progressed moon or progressed ascendant. Third, the transit falls in a house that is topically relevant to the expected manifestation, using the house system that performed best in the rectification phase. This triple filter dramatically reduces false positives. Outer planet transits that satisfy all 3 conditions have, in practice, shown a far higher hit rate for concrete external events than single-factor timing. House system note for forecasting. No single house system is universal. After rectification, test which system most consistently placed past events in the expected topical houses. Use that system as the primary forecasting lens. Keep Whole Sign as a secondary check for pure sign-based topics. The hybrid approach prevents both over-literal cusp dependence and over-abstract sign placement. Summary, working protocol. 1. Gather 5 to 7 major life events with accurate dates. 2. Apply angular event clustering to narrow the birth time range. 3. Refine with progressed moon phase lock. 4. Confirm with house system convergence. 5. For future forecasting, apply the triple confirmation window using the house system validated in Step 4. Rectification and forecasting are not mystical. They are iterative, testable procedures that treat the chart as a responsive instrument. The original methods above simply tighten the feedback loop between sky and biography. Final practical reminder. Always keep a rectification log. Record every trial time, the events used, the angular hit scores, and the house system results. Over multiple clients, the patterns become clear and your personal accuracy improves. Treat every rectified chart as provisional until 3 future events confirm the timing. Precision compounds with disciplined feedback. These methods are offered as working tools, not dogma. Test them against your own biography and the biographies of clients. Discard what does not perform, refine what does. That is how technique becomes mastery.